I'm finally at the theme park. I've been waiting for this day. Let's head inside. There is so much to see. I don't even know where to start. The vibe here is amazing. It's so lively. You can't hit a theme park without a headband. I'm having a hard time picking just one. I think I'll go with the ribbon one. Let's hit the bumper cars. I don't mind the wait at all because it's my absolute favorite. I'm feeling a bit low on sugar. I need a quick sugar fix. Oh wait, do you smell that? Churros. They look so golden, crispy, and dusted with sugar. I can't resist. I gotta take a bite while it's still hot. I'm starving. This restaurant looks promising. Look how packed it is. This must be the real deal. Let's grab a table and order something quickly. The night parade is finally starting. It's absolutely dazzling. It was totally worth the wait. The music is so catchy. I'm totally vibing right now. I'm getting goosebumps right now. It's even more beautiful in person. I'm so glad I got to see this. I'm bummed to be leaving. Today was one for the books. Wait, let me take a look at the view one last time.